Okay, mixing up sheetrock 90. I just need a little bit, so I'm just going to mix it by hand. You don't want too much water in the bucket if you're just mixing up a little amount. And then just a small amount. I just will mix it by hand or with my drywall knife. So I like to just mix it up a little sloppy at first. I'm just going to put a little bit more. Not too much. Yeah, that should be good. They call this stuff sheetrock 90 because within about 90 minutes it's going to start to be very hard. So you also don't want to mix up more than you can use in 90 minutes or less, more like under 45. Okay, I'm just going to need a little bit more to get the consistency I want. Yeah, just a very little bit more. Kind of want it to be like really thick, soft ice cream. That kind of consistency. So that when you put it on your knife, it's not going to come off real easy. There, I'm just going to put a bit more. Yeah, that's going to be perfect. If I'm mixing up a big amount, I'll use my drill. But for this, I can just use my knife and yeah. There. Yeah, that's good. Another way to test is, yeah, just put some on the trowel. Should stay on. Could have it a little thicker than that, but you wouldn't want it any thinner than that. So that's how I mix up sheetrock 90. these bigger cavities. I had to take the tape out of this one. So I'm just going to put this in as a nice base. I'll put more tape on. I have to just take that little piece out. Dries really hard. It's great for a good backing. Going to get all of the excess off. There. Then I'll just sand this, and then put my new tape in.